Children, now going to start the second topic, that is laws of reflection. What is laws of reflection? Children, first you need to understand some terms related to reflection. Reflecting surface, incident ray, reflected ray, point of incidence, normal, angle of incidence. Then we will describe laws of reflection. First of all, reflecting surface is the smooth surface, smooth shiny surface which reflects the light is known as reflecting surface. Second is incident ray. This coming ray is known as incident ray. AO is the incident ray. The ray of light which is falling on the reflecting surface XY is called the incident ray. Okay, the ray of light which is falling on the reflecting surface XY is called incident ray. AO is the incident ray. Clear, children? Now what is reflected ray? The ray of light which bounces back after striking the reflecting surface XY in the same medium is called reflected ray. OB is the reflected ray. Okay, and both will be reflected in the in the same direction, as means the angle formed between this should be same. Now what is point of incidence? The point where the incident ray strikes on the reflecting surface XY is known as the point of incidence. The incident ray strikes on the reflecting surface XY is known as point of incidence. So O is the point of incidence. Okay, it is the same point from where the reflected ray originates. From this point reflected ray originates. Okay, children? Now what is normal? Normal is the perpendicular line which divides the two ray into equal angle. This is called normal. This is a 90 degree. It will always form 90 degree. The incident ray and the reflected ray, it will divide equally. Okay, and so it is perpendicular, drawn on the reflecting surface at the point of incidence ON. You can see ON is the normal to the reflecting surface. Okay, and when angle of incident and angle of incident and angle of reflection would be equal, it will divide equally. Angle I is denoted as angle of incidence, R is denoted as angle of reflection. So angle of incidence means the angle which is the incident ray makes with the normal is known as angle of incidence. Okay, so angle AON is known as angle of incidence, and angle BON is known as angle of reflection, that is equal to I. So angle I equal to angle R, both angle would be equal. Okay, so now this is only the laws of reflection. So our law, light rays, when the light rays falls, it will the coming light is known as incident ray and it will reflect back, that is the bounces back light is known as reflected ray. Okay, now first law is the ray of light which strikes reflecting surface gets reflects back obeying certain laws. These laws are known as laws of reflection. So incident ray and reflected rays follows the certain laws. This laws is known as laws of reflection. The first law is angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second law equal to the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. The incident ray, the reflected ray all lie in the same plane इसी प्लेन में सारे लाई करते हैं, दैट इज द पॉइंट O. ऑल लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. दिस इज द second law of reflection. There are two laws. First law is angle I equal to angle R. Second law is angle of incident ray, angle of reflected ray, all lie in the, and the normal all lie in the same plane. Or you can say incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. So from the first law of reflection we can also see that angle which is the incident ray makes with the reflecting surface is equal to the angle which the reflected ray makes with the same surface, that is angle I equal to angle R. Okay children, I hope it is clear. Now second, in your book given some activity, you read and understand to verify the laws of reflection. It is easy, you can do at home this law, this activity you can do. If you want to try, just try this activity at home. It is very easy children. Now see the regular reflection. What is regular and irregular reflection? First of all, understand regular reflection. The reflection of light from any surface depends on the following two factors. First is the factor used as a reflecting surface and the nature of the surface on which the light falls. Okay, so first, when a parallel beam of light falls on a highly polished and smooth surface, suppose this is a smooth surface children, okay, this is a smooth surface. When a parallel beam of light, just pay attention, when a parallel beam of light falls on a highly polished and smooth surface such that all the rays of the beam are reflected parallel to each other, all the rays are reflected parallel to each other, you can see this is all are parallel, then such reflection is known as regular reflection, or you can say specular reflection. Reflection in a plain mirror, still water, and highly polished floor are example of regular reflection. Clear? Now what is irregular reflection? Irregular reflection, when the, you can see this picture, irregular or you can say diffused reflection occurs when the light falls on a rough surface, or you can say uneven surface, ऊपर नीचे या ऊपर खाबड़ वाले रास्ते या ऊपर खाबड़ वाले surface, you can say uneven surface or rough surface like road, door, ordinary floor and table. Such a surface might look smooth, but if we observe closely, then it appears rough. So when a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface, then different parts of the surface reflect the incident light in different direction. Such a reflection can be seen in scratched mirror and rippling water and is known as irregular or diffused reflection. It is no definite image is formed, but the surface becomes visible. It is commonly known as scattering of light, you can say. Means when the parallel beam of light, when it strike the uneven surface, this is uneven surface, okay, so all the reflected ray, they will deviate from their path, or you can say they will in rough surface, when the light rays strike the rough surface, then different parts of the surface reflect the incident light. This incident light reflect in different direction, some here, some here, some here, you can say this is known as irregular reflection. Okay children, you revise up to here, regular and irregular, and just do the activity at home. Clear? Next topic next day.